Hello YouTube family. As y'all can see, I got about 6 regular chicken wings here. My wife, night worker, RN, she's going to work tonight to try to save some lives, but she wanted some regular, lightly seasoned chicken wings. So I took this opportunity in the Big Easy. We're gonna cook her 6 chicken wings, been lightly coated with a little bit of my KFC seasoning. She's on a high protein, low carb diet. So we're gonna stick these 6 chicken wings in the Big Easy, but I'm gonna come back, take my magic bullet, probably 6-8 chicken wings of my own, and with the ingredients that I have here around the house, since I'm self-distancing, self-quarantining, I'm gonna take the magic bullet, every spicy, hot seasoning that I have in the house, red pepper, we're gonna take cayenne pepper. I have a few jalapeno peppers in the refrigerator. We're gonna attempt to make the hottest wings I can possibly make with what I currently have here in the house. So y'all stay tuned. Oh, and by the way, we're gonna do it all in the George Foreman Jr., the rotisserie. So y'all stay tuned and let's see how that comes out. We'll be right back. This is what I found. I found Tabasco. We've got Dale's. We got Dale's seasoning. I got my KFC mix. I got Frank's Red Hot Wings. We've got crushed red peppers. And we have cayenne pepper. And an egg. Now, what y'all probably don't know about me is oftentimes when I'm doing recipes, I have not tried these before. I come up with it, it's a brainchild, and I share it with y'all from Jump Street. Now, when I'm doing a product review, I've normally tried that 3, 4, 5, 6 times, multiple times. But my recipes, I like for us to either succeed or fail together. So here's what we're gonna do. Mama's wings have been on for about 30 minutes. So she's got about 15 or 20 more minutes. So that should give us time to get this done. The egg. The egg is what I think will help be a binder. Then we're gonna put in, and this is in no particular order, we're gonna put in a couple of teaspoons of the Tabasco. Let's put in, and this is the Dale's reduced sodium blend. And I think I told y'all in a previous video, I'm going to do a review on the Dale's seasoning and the difference that I found between the low sodium and the regular Dale's, but it's nothing to do with the flavor, it's to do with consistency. Now we're gonna put in the cayenne pepper, a liberal amount. Oh yeah. We're gonna put in the Frank's, a liberal amount. We got probably about 12 chicken wings, so it's gonna take quite a bit. This is the crushed red peppers. Let's not mess around. Oh yeah. I hope some of y'all have some of that extra toilet paper, the 2-ply, because when this is over, I might just need to borrow some 2-ply toilet paper, because this may not be the best idea, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, we're gonna put that in the magic bullet. If I didn't mention that, this thing's been up on the shelf for probably 6 months now. I used to use it to make my bulletproof coffee with, and I stopped drinking the bulletproof coffee, so I put it on the shelf. But let's see if she works. Oh yeah. Now, here's the part of the formula that I haven't told y'all about yet. Jalapeno peppers. We're gonna simply split these down the middle and put those in the basket. And we're gonna put some mushrooms in the basket with the wings. We're gonna put them in the cage, in the George Foreman Jr. cage. And we're gonna let those cook for about 45 minutes. So now, let's take this hot contraption, and we're just gonna pour this over the chicken wings. Holy smokes. Y'all forgive the mess? Well, since we're being brave, let's go ahead and cut the ends off of these peppers. Oh, and when I'm doing peppers and I'm making them hot, I intentionally leave the seeds in. You ain't got no balls if you're taking the seeds out, because you got yourself a regular old freaking spineless pepper if you take the freaking seeds out. So why would you do that? I want my peppers to have some kick. Like I said, if y'all gonna be sending me some 2-ply toilet paper, I want it to have a purpose. All right, there you go. All right, let's get that out of the way. Let's go ahead and bounce these around in this contraption. Did I sprinkle some of the, I don't think I sprinkled any of the KFC seasoning on there. Boy, this is either going to be good or it's going to suck. All right, fam. Let's go ahead and pull the end off of our cage. Let's go ahead and we'll load in. Should we? Should we? Yeah, we should. Should we? Why wouldn't we? Why wouldn't we? Under normal circumstances, I would have marinated that for about an hour or so, but in the interest of time, oop, left one out. In the interest of time, we're gonna go ahead and do this thing. All right, let's put that there. I have a mess here. See, can we get that through? Without causing too much disruption. All right, we're gonna move over to the George Foreman. We're gonna stick that in the George Foreman, get it started. It's almost time. We got about 5 minutes before Mama's wings gotta come out. Oh, they are looking good. All right, fam, this thing is dripping all over the place. So let's go ahead and get this big George into place. We got it in. Drop the lid on her. And we're gonna set. Do I have her plugged up? It would be nice if I had Big George plugged up. All right, she's rotating. All right, we're gonna set George on 40. Let's go ahead and set it on 50 minutes. We're gonna get those nice and toasty. That basket's pretty full, but we're gonna go ahead and set it on 50 minutes. Set it and forget it. We got a lot of cleanup to do back here. I got drippings everywhere. I got my ingredients out. I gotta clean up my magic bullet. So we're just gonna set this thing, forget it, and we'll be back in 50 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna pull Mama's chicken wings off of the Big Easy. We're gonna get her plated, get her, she wants to eat a couple before she goes to sleep, and we're done. We'll be back in 50 minutes. Y'all stay tuned. All right, fam, these incredibly hot wings are done. I actually wound up leaving these on for about an hour and 15 minutes because I had so many wings in here that it took a little bit longer to cook. So I turned it up from my original 50 minutes to about an hour and 15 minutes. So here goes. We're gonna dump the, gotta pull this out first. Got a little bit ahead of myself. I am so anxious about trying these. This how hot they turned out. We're gonna dump these out just like that. Mushrooms. Oh yeah. See if the mushroom. Oh yeah. Oh. I was just about to get ahead of myself and say that the mushrooms weren't that hot. They are hot. I think I'll go get me a glass of milk before we get started. We're gonna place these right over here. We'll be right back. Let me go get me a glass of milk before I get too brave. All right, fam, here it goes. It's gonna be a little bit noisy. I got my fan going, keep the flies off because they think it's delicious. So now it's our turn to see. All right, here goes our first bite. We got our glass of milk. We got our first wing. And you can see those things came out deliciously. Let's see. They're spicy, but they're not spicy to the point where I can't eat them and that I have to have the glass of milk. These would be, if I had to go on a Buffalo Wild Wing scale, these would be the habanero hot, I would call it. But they are freaking delicious. One of the mushrooms. Now, one of the peppers. Oh my goodness, those are freaking delicious. They took on just a little bit of flavor from the seasoning, and they're hot. I left the seeds in. Now that requires a drink. All right, fam. Once again, if y'all like this video, give her a thumbs up. Not, give her a thumbs down, and a brief reason why in the comment section. If you like what we're doing here, this and that, y'all consider becoming subscribers. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Y'all have a great week, a great day, a great week, a great month, and a great 2020. And I promise y'all, this will all be over soon and everything will be back to normal. Woo! It's hot. Can you smell what the Rosie is cooking? Woo.